occupation, they got boxer.
A box.
And we'll see this scene in 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Once upon a time, there was a boxer named Robin. He would spend hours in the gym training, working on his glutes, on his biceps, on other muscles I do not know. For a while, that was all he needed. He was top of the boxing game.
Hey, Jacob, let's go. Come on, me and you.
All right.
Hey, Robin Saunders.
What's going on, Susie?
So you think you're hot stuff, eh?
Oh, yeah.
No one's beat you yet.
Oh, no.
Well, I think you got another thing coming.
Oh, really?
Look over there!
Oh, no. Oh, no. I never know.
Her techniques were unpredictable and mischievous.
Oh, my abs. Oh,
Robin didn't know what to do, so he slinked away back to his home.
God, no.
Slink away, you
I'll
little
get you.
slinker!
Think strong. Think abs. Okay, we're good. Okay. Oh, man. I need something to eat. Pancakes. I love pancakes. But something's missing. Yes. A little bit more spunk in my pancakes. Pepper. Spunky. Yes. Yes. I want to try
Robin
this.
was feeling a bit better after those pepper pancakes, but he went to talk to his trainer, Marley, just after that for a little bit of a pep talk.
That's how you're feeling. Good?
Pretty spunky.
Yeah?
I think I got what I need.
Okay, so come on. Okay,
Yeah.
so we'll be facing Susie again. And
Okay.
no, but it'll be okay because you're feeling better now.
Yeah. Okay.
It'll be fine.
Okay.
You got this. You got this.
I got
man.
this.
You got this.
I got this.
Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna Susie. You just have to.
I can't lose another fight.
No, you won't.
I lost.
Get in the zone. Get in the zone.
If I lose this.
Well.
I'm not letting you take my world champion.
Zone.
My world champion. No, it's not gonna happen.
What if I beat your personal trainer? I did it.
Leave her out of this. This
You
is between me and
admit
you.
it. Love her.
It's true. This is it. Me and you will fight over my hot personal trainer.
It was round one. Boxers retreated to their corners, waiting for the battle to go.
1 minute.
Pancakes. Do you have any pancakes?
I can run to the concession stand.
Hurry up. I need to buy round 2. Pancakes. Got pancakes.
While Daphne was running, the round started, and it was going poorly for Robin.
Oh, my face. Happy pancakes.
Robin needed something stronger than just pancakes, so he grabbed the shaker. He held it to his nose.
Shaker.
And shot some pure pepper into his system.
30 seconds.
Eat my pepper, Susie.
And with a colossal punch, Robin was able to end the fight and begin his love